Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa 88 Emporium. This is to inform the public that 88 Emporium, through its CEO, Mark Angelo Calosa Serra, and some other individuals, including Jonalyn Jasmines, are offering investments to the public without the requisite secondary license from the Commission. Worthy to mention that Mr. Serra and Ms. Jasmines are closely associated to building our Success Stories Network or BOSS Network, whose president or CEO is Romel Q. Tabanyag. The Securities and Exchange Commission noticed that individuals or group of persons are soliciting from the public to invest in 88 Emporium in the guise of dropshipping along with e-commerce, subscription, and affiliate marketing. Itong 88 Emporium daw ay isa na namang dropshipping at isa daw silang all-in-one platform na meron ding e-commerce, subscription, at affiliate marketing. Mga kababayan, kailangan po bago po kayo sumali sa kahit na anong investment, dapat po i-check po ninyo ang kanilang mga legalities. Katulad po nitong 88 Emporium, wala po silang secondary license, kaya po illegal po ang kanilang ginagawang paghingi o pagsulisit ng investment sa publiko. At wag po kayo basta-basta maniniwala doon sa mga pangakong kitaan nila, pati doon sa mga sinasabi nilang negosyo nila katulad ng dropshipping. Kailangan po mag-imbestiga kayo at wag po kayo magpapahype doon sa mga pangakong kitaan. Yung 88 Emporium daw ay nag-o-offer ng iba't ibang mga packages with respective subscription fee o investment. Under the corporate support and rebates, subscriber investors shall earn a total of 3,000 pesos, 9,000 pesos, 21,000 pesos, and 45,000 pesos for trial, basic, standard, and premium packages, respectively, from the earnings of 88 Emporium to its subscription income, sales of products, and from the cycle reward income of subscriber investors sponsor. Under the dropshipping commission, subscriber investors shall earn commission whenever someone purchases from his or her purported store. However, it is 88 Emporium who shall pack, deliver, and receive the payment for the sale, and the subscriber investors shall be given his or her commission. Under the sponsorship commission, every time the subscriber investors recruit, he or she shall earn direct commission amounting to 150 pesos, 450 pesos, 1,050 pesos, and 2,250 pesos for trial, basic, standard, and premium packages respectively availed of the recruits. So, ito po ang kanilang direct referral bonus o DRB. Under the cycle commission, for every pairing package availed of by the subscriber investors recruit, there is a corresponding subscription points, which when paired under his or her pyramid, shall earn such subscriber investors 300 pesos for every 1 SP. Under the community sales commission, subscriber investors shall earn 20% for the first generation, 15% for the second and third generation, 10% for the 4th to 6th generation, and 5% for the 7th to 10th generation. Sales made by the downline, however, the entitlement of the income respective to the level of generation is based on the rank attached to the availed package of the subscriber investor. Under the infinity bonus, subscriber investors shall earn infinity bonus for every first 2 invites of his or her downline starting from the third of his or her direct recruits. Mga kababayan, marami pong pangakong kitaan ang 88 Emporium at mukhang too good to be true. Kaya umiwas na po kayo dyan. Huwag po kayo magpapahype sa mga pangako nilang kitaan dahil maaari sa umpisa may ibigay nila ang payout pero sigurado po sa huli tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. At ayon nga sa assessment ng Securities and Exchange Commission, Yung scheme daw na ino-offer ng 88 Emporium constitute offering of securities to the public in the form of investment contract as the elements of investment contract are present and the offering was through the use of social media. The said scheme of 88 Emporium are fraudulent as it involved solicitation, offering, and or selling of unregisterable securities to the public. Moreover, 88 Emporium is not a registered corporation nor a partnership with this commission and consequently does not have the requisite primary and secondary licenses in violation of Sections 8, 12, and 26 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Accordingly, the Commission warns all unscrupulous individuals and or entities that strict penalties are imposed for violations of the Securities Regulation Code, the Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, and such other laws, rules, and regulations enforced by the Commission. At nagbabala din po ang SEC para po sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, or agents of 88 Emporium, Mark Angelo Calosa Serra, Jonalyn Jasmines in selling or convincing people to invest in an investment scheme being offered by said person or entity, including solicitations and recruitment through the internet, may be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 28 of the SRC and penalized with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or penalty of 21 years of imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. In view thereof, the public is advised not to invest or stop investing in any investment scheme being offered by 88 Emporium, Mark Angelo Calosa Serra, Jonalyn Jasmines, as well as to any other entities having the same or similar schemes, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments or recruiting investors for and on behalf of 88 Emporium, Mark Angelo Calosa Serra, and Jonalyn Jasmines. At kung meron po kayong impormasyon tungkol po sa kahit na anong investment solicitation activities ng kahit na sinong individual o grupo na individual on behalf of 88 Emporium, ay i-report po ninyo sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong May 7, 2024. Mga kababayan, napatunayan po natin na isa pong illegal investment scheme ang 88 Emporium. Kaya po kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, humingi na po kayo na refund o mag-withdraw na po kayo at wag na po kayo magdadagdag ng investment. At kung kayo po ay nagbabalak sumali dyan, wag na po kayo sumali dahil na-issuehan na po yan ng advisory ng SEC. At kung kayo po ay mga recruiter o upline, tumigil na po kayo sa pagre-recruit dahil pwede po kayo makasuhan ng mga downline ninyo. Mga kababayan, dapat po bago po kayo sumali sa kahit na anong investment, dapat po i-check po ninyo ang legalities. Dapat po kompleto sila sa legalities at dapat din po may opisina sila. At dapat din po bukod po sa CEO ay meron pa po silang ibang empleyado. Kasi karamihan po ng mga company, CEO lang po ang tangi nilang empleyado. Kaya dapat po i-check po ninyo pati po yung mga pangakong kitaan dahil makikita po ninyo na too good to be true po ang pangakong kitaan na mga companies at kadalasan po ang pangako nila ay guaranteed profit. Kaya kailangan maging maingat tayo at wag po tayo basta-basta magpapahype dahil mari sa umpisa ibigay nila ang payout pero sa huli po tatakbuhan po kayo niyan katulad din ng mga ibang companies noon. Pwede nyo rin pong i-check ito pong YouTube channel po natin. Ito pong news up to date dahil naglalabas po tayo ng mga reviews tungkol po sa mga nagkalat na mga companies at pwede nyo rin pong i-check ang YouTube channel ni Shemny Anyol dahil naglalabas din po siya ng mga reviews laban po sa mga nagkalat na mga companies dahil marami po ang mga nagkalat na mga companies ngayon. Kaya kailangan maging maingat tayo. I-check nyo po kung merong secondary license ang sasalihan nyong investment. At kapag wala po sila secondary license, umiwas na po kayo At kapag meron po silang pinakitang secondary license, i-verify po ninyo sa Securities and Exchange Commission dahil meron pong mga kumpanya na namimeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.